अब चालू अब
हाँ. Yes, good morning. Today I have selected the topic of theory of dyeing. In dyeing machine, dyeing process. In theory of dyeing, basically dyeing process is dependent of particular parameters. These parameters are role of water, role of electrolyte, role of dye stuff, etc. During theory of dyeing, when we apply dye, so when we apply dye, the dyeing particulars play important role on dyeing process. First of all, we take dye stuff. Dye stuff means which type of dye stuff we are using on cotton fabric या type of fiber या yarn. Dye stuff has a particular nature, like this positive nature, negative nature, and disperse nature. Fiber also have three types of nature. Some fibers are suitable for uh, positive nature. Some fibers are having negative nature, or some fibers are having disperse nature. First of all, we take one by one roll of dye stuff. The first of all, we take cotton fiber. Cotton fiber have hydroxyl groups, many positive sides, like a cellulose group, which is suitable for direct dye, reactive dye, and acid basic dye also. In cotton fiber, uh, direct dye is mostly applied, and during dyeing, we take water. Water is we take water. Water is a medium of applying dye on fiber, yarn or fabric. First of all, we make solution for dyeing process. In solution, we take dye, water, uh, dyeing auxiliaries according to ratio of recipe, dyeing recipe. Dye stuff in acid dye have acidic nature, so we use dye stuff acidic nature, and fiber has negative nature. If fiber have positive nature, dye stuff have positive nature. Fiber have negative nature, dye stuff have positive nature. So first of all, acid dye or basic dye, fiber has researched for acid basic या cation या cation or anion reaction. Cationic dyes are applied for on fibers. In polyester fiber have disperse nature, because in polyester fiber having hard benzene ring, which is which have high crystalline region and lower amorphous region. So we use use polyester fiber as a crystalline nature. Crystalline nature, due to crystalline nature, polyester ring, benzene ring is not acceptable dye easily during dyeing process. So we apply high temperature on during polyester dyeing process. Polyester dyeing, and we apply on heat fiber, yarn or fabric in dye solution. For polyester dyeing process, minimum 110 to 120 30 degrees Celsius is applied, because at high temperature polyester dye takes a dark shade. During high temperature, polyester dyeing surface enlarge pore size. That after dyeing molecules are penetrated directly through the large pore size, and dye is complete. If we take a lower temperature, lower temperature like below boiling temperature, during boiling below boiling temperature like 70 degree, 90 degree, 80 degree, polyester fiber not complete dye, because it have very small pore size surface fiber on surface fiber, or dye particle have large size. So majority number dyeing particle is not capable to enter in fiber amorphous region. So in polyester dyeing we take a high temperature, otherwise we take carrier dyeing process. During carrier dyeing process, carriers we have used for polyester dyeing. Due to carrier, polyester fiber swell during dyeing process, and pore size enlarge at below boiling temperature. Below boiling temperature, pore size enlarge, and dye molecules is easily entered into the fiber polymer system. Roll of water means water, we use water to make solution of dyeing auxiliaries, dye, and anionic or cationic auxiliaries, etc. Water make a solution dilute या dye liquid form. Dye liquid form is suitable for dyeing on fiber, yarn and fabric. In dye liquid, all chemicals are dissolved in a particular solution, and dye stuff easily apply on polyester on type of dyeing process. Second is role of electrolyte. Third is role of electrolyte. Electrolyte, we have used electrolyte in dyeing process like NaCl and etc. Electrolyte have two sides, positive sides and negative sides. We use first जैसे कि सोडियम धनायन का कार्य करता है, क्लोराइड ऋणायन का कार्य करता है, और डाई एब्जॉर्प्शन में ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइट हेल्प करते हैं. इसलिए रोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज प्ले इम्पोर्टेंट रोल ड्यूरिंग डाइंग प्रोसेस. And fourth, we have take temperature, heat. Heating process is play important role during dyeing and printing also. In dyeing, we use heat as create energy in dyeing solution. Due to heat, dye molecules uh, due to heat dye molecules uh, movement. So, uh, so dye molecules movement from dye liquid to fiber surface. And other object of heat is to swallow the fiber polymer system and to take the dye molecule from dye liquid to fiber surface. At a fiber surface, NaCl, we have used electrolyte help to absorption of dye. So, two or three role of heat. One is to give energy the dye molecules and dye liquid and fiber polymer system. Fiber dye step take energy from dye solutions and its movement on fiber or fiber polymer system also. Role of heat. So we have discussed three role. We have discussed theory of dyeing as a content, role of water, role of dye stuff, role of heat, major content of the dyeing theory. Or we have take example as a positive, as a cation or anion form, acid dye, basic dye, and disperse form, polyester dye. We have used यानी कि three types of method: cationic dyes, anionic dyes, or disperse dyes. After that, theory of dyeing is also applied on theory of printing, also printing process. In theory of printing, we have used mainly printing paste. In dyeing process, dye solution create या made और dye solution play role dyeing process. While in printing process, printing paste या thickener या printing paste play role of dyeing. Printing is also called local dyeing. Local dyeing means we have to apply the print paste at particular space according to shape of block, according to shape of motif we are going to print on the fabric. So in printing process, first of all we take printing paste, we make printing paste. Printing paste have mainly these ingredients like printing water, dye stuff, and printing यानी कि thickener play important role in printing process. So in this content we have mainly used theory of dyeing, and next content we have take theory of printing. So thank you, and I wish to my staff and dear students, I have completed theory of dyeing topic. Okay, namaskar, good morning, thank you to all.